Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a poster on Google Docs. I like to select like a template so that there's like a color in it. I know this is about like cells, but you can of course change the text to like party. Wait, let me just pajama party, for instance. It's like a poster for a pajama party. You can change the color as well, and the address, Golden Brick Road, number 30, for instance. This is random, of course. You can also type in like all invited, and you can also add in like the date as well. Okay, let me just copy and paste this. Date 13/07/3 and like at 8 p.m. And then I'm going to delete the photo as well. And I'm going to delete the rest of these that isn't important. And you can add in like a picture. So I'm going to select upload it from computer or search the web. I'm just going to select search the web, and I'm going to type in cute pajama. Can't type. Cute pajamas, for instance. Maybe something like this one. I'm just going to double click on it, and I'm going to adjust the image, make it smaller. Also bring it down as well. Oops. Maybe format it and align it differently, but I'm just going to leave it like this, I guess. And then you can also add in like shapes if you want to, I think. You can add in emojis as well, like the sleeping emoji. You can add it on your poster. You can add a lot of stuff in it. It is up to you what you want to add to it. I think you can add the shapes in drawing. Yeah, you can add in shapes. I'm just going to use this moon one and change it to the color yellow and delete the outline as well. Just going to edit this a little bit. I don't know why it looks so much like this, but I'm just going to save and close, and hopefully it's going to be added. It does kind of lag sometimes when I click it. I'm not sure why, but hopefully it works that you can add this into your Google Docs, but I'm not sure why this does it. Maybe if I zoomed out a little bit, but it's still the same though. I think it's a little bit too big, so I'm just going to refresh it. Oh, it's there, but it's in a different color. You can edit that later though. But that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!